So guys, I forgot to tell you that my cousin Via is going to come later on because it's almost my mom's birthday. Like her birthday is April 15. So I'm going to celebrate her birthday and my cousin Via is going to join the vlog, okay? So please spam in the comments. Don't say anything bad in the comments, please, cause he's very cute, just like my sister Lottie. Lottie.
This my ganja. Japanese ako ganja.
Okay, so I'm going to give my cousin her cards because she's going to join the card company of our work. So maybe like tomorrow we're going to post a video of us working. So make sure to watch it and stay tuned for the other video later. Bye. Peace out.